around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
Came from America.
Came from UK. I'm the owner, yes.
You live there?
Yes.
You live in Akure or Ondo?
I live in Akure. Okay.
You have to.
Sorry?
You can't do better than me.
The tax, I don't have anything, girl. I don't have anything. If I have, I would have given you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's why we'll with another person or Igbo or that person. I'll just plan.
I don't get anything. That's why. If I get, I will give you now. Hey, can I have my driving license here? What can I do now?
Go and park. See that photo.
What can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what can I do now, girl? No, check my driving license, check my documents. They say make I do that. They say make I do that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now.
Go and park there. The way bill or invoice of all those items.
The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. Yeah? No, don't worry, don't worry. Okay. The way be of
what
the.
you say she not do? Are you telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That I will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom paper so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined. So is it supposed to be listed one after the other, all those custom papers? Yes.
Really?
What I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
do your job properly. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. To let you know, I'm recording you right now.
To me.
So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go. Better.
Everything is intact. Why is it? Why go and park?
Don't shout. Leave him. I'll go him on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any. I haven't committed any offense.
Hello.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Are
you okay?
Okay. He hasn't got to that level. He hasn't got to that level.
Asking where is the invoice?
Yeah, but which I did. But that's why, and I told you. I said this vehicle came. This vehicle came.
I know you are going on the level. I was even trying to.
Okay, why do you? Okay,
listen. I know she's money.
From around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.